Hey, welcome back. Okay, so this may look like the exact same project, but it's not. This is the second question. If we were to look at our files, we now have one new class called registration list writer. Here's the header file or the interface file, and here is the .cpp file or the .implementation files. Another way of saying that, how do you put it in words? Where you define it. No, where you declare it is your header file, and where you define it is your CPP file. Now that aside, if I go back into my main function, and if I just run this program, you notice that it primarily still looks the same, apart from this one large button on the bottom called Create XML. If I just click it, it states, cannot write from an empty table, fill in data. Okay, so let me go and just create some data. So ash at ash_Pokemon at gmail.com, and then affiliation, let's just say YouTube, and this is a standard registration. If I were to extend this and let's add a few more, let's do Brock. So Brock underscore ladiesman at yahoo.com. Has Yahoo been deprecated? Is that the word? Not depreciated. Deprecated. Anyway, who is he affiliated with? Nostroy. And he is going to be a student. Okay. And BSc. What? Brock was the guy, season 1. Food. Was he like a medic? Oh my god, I don't remember Pokemon season 1. He made food, but was he also a medic? I'm just gonna say food science. Okay, cool. I'll then do Misty. That's fine. Misty at what was the water gym called? Anyway, so Misty at gmail.com. Water gym. And you will actually be a guest. And you are the gym leader. That was the word, right? Gym leader. Okay. Let's just do one more. Let's do ARCRTS. And we'll do God of Pokemon at the universe.com. Okay. And who is he affiliated with? With all Pokemon. And obviously this is a standard registration. Okay. And you're obviously familiar with these 4 buttons, so it's not important. Now if I hit create XML, I'm presented with this dialog option that states what is the file path you want to write to. If I did dot and /, this would mean current directory. However, if I do dot /, this means one directory back. So if I am in directory C, doing this will take me to directory B. If I do it again, from B I will go to directory A. And I will just call this my registration list XML, and the extension is .xml. I'll go OK, and if I come down to the console, it says written to file. Cool. Let me just go back here and do something like add registration and confirm. It gives me the correct error. Okay. I'll close this. Now, if I go back into my folder, let me see if I can locate it. Okay, here we go. And let me bring it down to this side. Notice, we had all the data in our UI, and we wrote it to an external file, that being my registration list xml.xml. This is XML format. And if you notice, we have one large registration list tag, and in between that tag we have data. We have a registration with the type being what class, the name, affiliation, email, the date it was booked, and the registration fee. We see this changes as per the requirements of each registration. For example, Ash is a normal registration, whereas Brock is a student registration. Misty is a guest registration. Here's Misty's name, affiliation, email, booking date, and the fee. And yes, that is how you can write XML data from a Qt application. And that's all for this video. My internet is down, unfortunately.